sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Hello and hi for all the YouTubers. Hope you people are doing really well and good. Today I am sitting on the special and most anticipated and newly launched vehicle, the Suzuki Gixxer 250, and this is a out and out sports character motorcycle, and I am going to highlight you today some of the special features and some of the sports upgrades in this motorcycle. So viewers, I am going to present you the detailed walk around and detailed exhaust note and some of the special upgrades of the vehicle. Hope you will enjoy the show. Thanks for watching. Always ride safe. Jai Hind.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on